So yes, when men say my eyes, my right, and if there are women who and I love Sunita Garu. I have a lot of respect for her as a singer, but with all due respect, when ladies actually speak for and back for the side of men, it actually damages and makes places and spaces more unsafe for girls and women, because this entire dupatta vesko itla juttunda atla veskunnava, కుంకుమం ఉందా, మంగళ సూత్ర ఉందా, స్లీవ్లెస్ వేసుకున్నావా, టైట్స్ వేసుకున్నావా, నా బాడీ నా రైట్, ఐ విల్ వేర్ వాట్ ఐ. ద పాయింట్ ఇస్, if you have a rapey eyes, if you have such creepy eyes that you are making even a woman with dupatta, I mean, who was the dentist who was gang raped? She was wearing dupatta only, no? So weren't so many people asking what her caste was? So what sort of eyes were those? What sort of mindset were those? So ilanti caste unte mem rape chestam annatuvanti comments kuda chustanu. So what eyes are those? Base or concept of my body, my right is to not have men decide on the bodies of women, including reproductive rights, including the rights of, I mean, today if a woman goes to a NEET exam, if she is on a period, she apparently has to remove her underwear and show her sanitary pad to prove that she is bleeding, and they will see her period blood and her sanitary pad in an exam hall. In addition to that, she is not allowed to carry an additional sanitary pad in case some of us women actually have heavy bleeding during periods, and the exam center does not provide a sanitary pad also. There are so many things that we are dealing with, and of course his eyes, his right. So a 14-year-old boy decided to watch porn with his eyes and just choose his own 9-month-old niece because he only with his eyes saw vagina and not a baby. No use speaking about this as a highly patriarchal, women shaming feminism hating, women hating, women's rights hating society where a whole society actually comes in support of a man who abuses a female colleague, right? And yet I feel the need to say this only for the young girls that are watching, because I think beyond a point, అంటే ఈ సమాజంలో ఏ ఒక్క మగాడు నన్ను రియల్ ఫెమినిస్ట్ ఆర్ నాట్ ఎ ఫెమినిస్ట్ ఆర్ సూడో ఫెమినిస్ట్ ఆర్ ఫేక్ ఫెమినిస్ట్ అని చెప్తాడో, ఆ సర్టిఫికెట్ కోసం నేను ఏడుస్తూ కూర్చుంటున్నానని. దెర్ ఆర్ అ లాట్ ఆఫ్ దీస్ incel men who are so, yeah, they are just incels. I'm just not going to go about describing them and their mentality, but I can only tell you that if you find a man speaking like this, please keep far away from him and their family, because a man is raised like this by his family. Actually elanti society lo unnamante, we will judge a girl who's a doctor. Why was she out at 7 p.m? If she's out at 7 p.m, is she wearing a dupatta? Why was she on a bike? అలా గ్యాంగ్ రేప్లు జరుగుతాయి. పాపం మగపిల్లలు ఏం చేస్తారమ్మా, ఒక ఆడదిని చూస్తే పందాలు కట్టుకుంటారు కదా, బికాస్ దిస్ ఇస్ ద మెంటాలిటీ దట్ మెజారిటీ హ్యాస్ ఫ్రమ్ వాట్ ఐ హ్యావ్ అబ్జర్వ్డ్ ఆన్ సోషల్ మీడియా, అండ్ దెర్ ఆర్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ విమెన్ సపోర్టింగ్ దిస్ as well. So I am truly, one of the reasons that I kinda took a back step in speaking about all of this even to girls is that I realize it's a worthless position when even people of influence in the society are brainwashing you to be just handmaidens and just basically puppets in the hands of all of these men and gatekeepers of patriarchy. So it's kind of sad. I hope your life watch porn and to not even see the differentiation between the female body that wants to be even touched or looked at by you, to have come to a society where a teenager decides to watch porn and rape his own 9-month-old niece, because the number of cases that are growing on a daily basis is truly problematic, which is why we talk about the actual mindset and the cultural aspect behind all of that. It's not about people, it's about a mindset and what we believe in, and that is a very rape culture starts like this. Rapes just don't happen. The mindset starts from shaming women, their bodies, their clothes, their attitudes, the way they speak, calling them this and that. And of course మన తెలుగు సొసైటీలో నన్ను ఎట్లాంటి బూతులు తిడతారని నాకు తెలుసు. అంటే I have learned so much from you all.